How to disconnect Facebook account from Instagram. Want to remove your Facebook account from Instagram? Whether you're on iPhone or Android, I'll walk you through the exact steps. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel out. First, open the Instagram app on your device. This works the same on both Android and iPhone. Now, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on the three lines menu icon at the top right-hand corner. Then tap on Account Center at the top of the menu. Quick note: Meta owns both Facebook and Instagram, which is why the platforms are often linked together. Inside Account Center, tap on Sharing Across Profiles. Select your Instagram account and make sure all toggles for sharing to Facebook are turned off. This stops any automatic cross-posting. Next, go back and tap on Profiles at the top. Select your name, then choose Instagram from the bottom. Here, tap Remove from Account Center or Stop Syncing. This will unlink your Facebook account from Instagram. They'll still appear in Account Center, but they'll be completely separate. No shared logins, no shared posts, and no syncing. And that's it! Your Facebook and Instagram accounts are now unlinked. If this video helped, give it a like, leave a comment, and share with your friends. Now hit that subscribe button and watch out for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.